See here in this problem, here for a load, if apparent power is given as 23.7 kilo volt ampere and power factor is given as 0.876. So then how can you find the average power, reactive power and complex power? This is the problem. Here the complex power is represented with capital S and reactive power is capital Q, average power is capital P. So where apparent power nothing but magnitude of complex power, that is magnitude of S, and it is P dot F, power factor. Now first of all I am going to find the average power. We know that average power P equal to apparent power into power factor. So apparent power is already given, that is 23.7 kilo volt ampere into power factor is 0.876. By simplifying this, we will get average power P equal to 20,761.2 watts. Now I am going to find the reactive power, that is Q equal to apparent power into root of 1 minus power factor square. Here apparent power is given as 23.7 kilo volt ampere into root of 1 minus power factor is 0.876 square. By simplifying this, we will get reactive power Q equal to 5513.1888 var. Here var is the volt ampere reactive. This is unit for reactive power. Now find the complex power. We know that complex power has nothing but average power plus J into reactive power. Here average power we got 20,761.2 plus J, and Q we got 5513.1888. For the complex power, the unit is volt ampere. And this is the complex power, and this is the reactive power, and this is the required average power. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.